Here I've got Stanley S241 and let me show you how to update the date and time on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to select the settings, then scroll down, find and pick date and time, and here you can either have an automatic date and time or you can switch it off by tapping on off, and then you can set date and time manually by yourself, so it's up to you what time and date it currently is. Then you can also have automatic time zone, or you can switch it off by tapping on this switcher, and now you can select the time zone that you would like to have. As you can see, your Stanley has plenty of possibilities, so let me pick, for example, this one. And finally, the last option is also the format of your clock, so you can change it from 12-hour format clock to 24-hour format clock. And that's basically all. This is how you can update date and time on your device. If you'd like to go back to default settings, simply tap on those switchers and click on automatic date and time. Finally decide if you'd like to use network provided or GPS provided time, and I will pick network provided. And that would be all. This is how you can change date and time in your device in your Stanley S241. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.